Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. Once again, this is Charmaine, ang inyong madiskarteng Filipina. At para sa video natin today, magluluto tayo ng Pansit Canton Guisado. Ang mga sangkap na ating gagamitin ay sibuyas, bawang, bell pepper, carrots, cabbage, bagu beans, calamansi, pancit canton, soy sauce, oyster sauce, mantika at tubig. Makikita nyo ang listahan ng lahat ng ingredients sa description box below. Sa mga bago pa dito sa ating channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. And yes guys, ito na ang ating Pansit Canton Guisado. And do you know that pancit is a general term referring to various traditional noodle dishes in Filipino cuisine? There are numerous types of pancit, often named based on the noodles used, method of cooking, place of origin, or the ingredients. And most pancit dishes are characteristically served with calamansi. Yes, nag-a-add talaga ng flavor ang calamansi sa ating pancit. And also guys, there are 30 ways to make pancit. Yes, based on Google ni ha. Yes, sutanghon gisado, bam-a recipe, crispy noodles, pancit bihon, pancit canton, lumi, pancit palabok, pancit habhab, and many more. And yes, napakadali lang po talaga ang pagluluto ng pancit. Kaya nga, naging paborito ito nating mga Filipino. Sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin today. Thank you so much for watching, and before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you. Bye!